Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok and Capcut tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create this I love my husband, but sometimes I wanna video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So if you want to create these kind of videos, let me show you how to do this. So for this, you will need TikTok and you'll need Capcut. Capcut is a free app from your App Store or your Google Play Store. So go ahead and download it. Once that's downloaded, open up your TikTok app. Now here you want to tap on search at the top right. You want to search for I love my husband, but sometimes I wanna. Go ahead and search for that. In the search results, go ahead and tap on any of these videos. On these videos, you're looking for this button here, Capcut, try this template. So go ahead and tap on any of them. This will show you the template that's being used. Now tap on Use Template in CapCut. This will open up CapCut and will show you the template again. Tap on Use Template at the bottom right. Now here you want to select a video of yourself and your husband. Next tap on Preview. This will now create the video. If you want to change the text, go ahead and tap on Text. Tap on the text at the bottom, tap on Edit. Now here you can change the text as you wish. Once you're happy, tap on Done. Now once you're happy with the video, go ahead and tap on Add Sound in TikTok at the top right. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Now as you can see, TikTok will automatically add the sound to your video. Preview the video and listen to the music and make sure you're happy with it. Tap on Next at the bottom right. Type in your caption and your tags and then post this video to TikTok. So that is how to create I love my boyfriend, but sometimes I wanna video trend on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.